Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, I do body paint, and I do makeup. Unboxings, tutorials, hauls, all kinds of stuff here on my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing something huge. Something gigantic. So make sure that you stay tuned because I am unboxing some Pixi PR, and like I said, it is a massive box. So if you want to see how I achieved this look today and what it is that I'm talking about that's so big, then go ahead and keep watching. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me some comments and subscribe here to my family. I would really love it if you would subscribe. It would help me out. Also, don't forget to check out my other social media. It'll pop up right down here for you, and everything will be listed in my description box below. So, let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so I am super excited about this Pixi PR, this unboxing that we're gonna do today. It is ginormous. I saw this at my front door. I opened the box and the PR package was massive. I am not joking. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to show this to you like on camera. But we're gonna try. Here is this Pixi box. Can you guys see how big this is? So I'm gonna just kind of open it and show you what's inside. I already did my base makeup today, my foundation, bronzer, concealer, because I already took a sneak peek what's inside because I was just so excited and I just wanted to be better, like to show this to you guys and be prepared. So, because it's huge. So again, that's what it looks like. And when you open, I'm gonna try to open this. When you open this up, it is pretty much a bunch of influencers that worked with Pixi and created their own stuff. So, this is huge. And this is what the inside looks like. Okay. Oh my goodness. Insert clip of the whole box because I cannot hold it anymore. I think we're gonna start first with the Shape Shifter palette. This one is by Pixi and Promise. The shade names are Himalaya, Momo, Yak, Karma, Rupees, Kathmandu, Spice, Bazaar, and Namaste. Going in with this first shade, I'm assuming, on the back you have the colors, so I think the first one is Himalaya. That's what that one looks like. It's very pretty and shimmery. That one's super light, can't really see it. Oh, you can right there, that yellow shade. Now moving on down the list, starting with this shade. And third shade. And then taking this shade and finishing out the bottom row. This next palette is Pixi and Makeup by Denise. This is the Mind Your Own Glow Radiance palette. I'm really excited about this, and this one we are going to try because I'm not wearing any highlight or blush. And here is this one. The shades are High Beam, Lit, Sunstone, Golden Hour, Icing, Glazed, Gold Filled, Aura, and Glow On. I love these. I already see a shade that I want to try. So let's take this shade. That's what it looks like on the brush. Ooh, it's got a really nice kind of glow. That's really pretty. I like to take some and put it on my nose. Let's take a highlight. This middle shade right here, I think is called Lit. Ooh. I can definitely tell off camera. I don't know if you guys can tell. I think you can see that. All that on my nose, that looks really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna be in love with this palette. All right, let's move on to the next palette, which is probably the star attraction for most people. It's the eyeshadow palette. All right, guys, so next we have the Pixi and Tina Young palette. So this is the tones and texture palette. You have Feelin' Fresh, Soft Fade, Sand, Crease, Buttercup. The second line is Gleam, Sweet Pea, Foxy, Daily Dose, and Butterflies. The third line is Rosy, Sassy, Vibin, Flossom, and Snug. The fourth line is Electric, Juicy, Thriving, Shout Out, and Depth. And then the last row, you have Melon, Mood, Seaside, Magic, and After Dark. So I actually have my primer sitting right here. I'm just gonna be taking this. This is the Jason Wu Eye Primer. I picked this up at Target. This is the Wu Prime Eye. I really like this primer. I've been using this a lot. It comes in white, and so I really feel like it helps the colors reach their highest pigmentation. And a little bit goes a long way, but I like to just kind of spread it all over. Okay, my eyes are primed, it's everywhere, but that is okay because everything blends out in the end. Let's see what I want to take. Where was that crease shade? I actually think I want to do that because it's called Crease. I want to take this crease shade and see how it will perform. So taking this crease shade. My foundation and stuff looks a lot orange than it really is. So when I go to edit this video, I'm gonna try to color correct. I think it's because I have that green light in the background. I wanted to match because, you know, Pixi is green. So far, I really like how this formula is. It's very like powdery, but it's really easy to blend. I'm not seeing any fallout yet on my face. Okay, so now that we took that shade, let's, oh my gosh, there's so many pretty colors. Oh man. Okay, I kind of want to take this shade. I think it's Melon. I want to take this Melon shade and put this all over my lid. It's a little bit light than what it looks like in the pan. Let's maybe take this other blue shade. I think this is called Seaside. Okay, I kind of want to take, let's see. I don't know, I'm going for the like greens and blues. I want to take this one next to Seaside. This is Magic. I kind of want to line the bottom of my eyes. That's really pretty, actually. I don't know if you guys are seeing the awesomeness of this color. However, we have some fallout down here. I feel like I'm looking really bright up here, so let's take a shade. I kind of want to take, it's called Soft Fade, the second shade, and we're gonna put that right under our brow. There, it's a little better. And when I do my brows and stuff, it'll look normal. And I want to swatch a couple colors for you guys that I think are really pretty. There's this gold shade. And then this one next to it, this kind of orange. It looks more coral in person than on camera. And then there's this pink shade right here. I think that one's called Snug, or no, that one is Rosy. So I think those colors are really pretty and I might want to play with that in another video. I am going to put my mascara and eyeliner and stuff on and do my brows off camera, and then when we come back we're going to get into the last palette, which is the lips. Okay everyone, I'm back. I did my mascara, my eyeliner, my brows off camera. I think the look is coming together really nicely. It's just a nice, light, kind of everyday look that you can do. I'm not going anywhere today, I'm just staying home, so I think this is super cute. Matches my gray shirt. I love blue. I think all the colors performed really nice. Of course, stay tuned till the end to hear my final thoughts on everything. I know I didn't try everything, but I mean, I've used Pixi before and I know the quality of their products, so stay tuned till the end. But next we're going to be getting into this lip palette from Louise Rowe. I don't have any lip palettes, so I think this is kind of cool. I believe you can also use some of these as blush if you wanted to. I'm already seeing some colors that I'm digging, but here are these. The first row you have Glow, Fresh, Smooch, Paris, Putty. The second row you have Such a Babe, Romance, All Smiles, Elegance, Gentle. The third row you have Strut, Softly, Pretty in Pink, Do, and Try Me. The fourth row you have Vacation, LA Sunset, Velvet, She's Chic, Boss. And then the last row you have Lady, Raspberry Juice, No Filter, Perfect, and Blush Crush. I am a more nude kind of pink person, so I think with this look, let's find a brush first. Oh man, they're all so similar, but they're also different. I kind of want to take, I think I want to do this shade right here, and this is, let's see, the third row, the second shade. This is called Softly. That's a pretty name for that. So I'm just gonna take it on a brush and we are going to try this. I think that's really nice and light and subtle. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like this would last all day. Yeah, it definitely doesn't feel like it would last all day, but it feels really nice on the lips. I actually have a like a lip gloss or a lipstick kind of primer from ColourPop. It's clear and you can put it on and it makes your lipstick last pretty much all day. So I think I would put something like that underneath to make it stay. So this is my finished look, you guys. I know it was kind of quick. I just wanted to show you everything that came in the box. Let me know if you would like me to do an updated full face of Pixi, and I will definitely make sure to include more of these palettes and shades because I know I didn't dip into a lot of them. I just kind of wanted to show you guys all the products that they sent because I think it's super cool. But I really think this look turned out really pretty. I really love how it looks. I love the blue. So I have used Pixi before in the past, and their eyeshadows seem to me like their regular formula. They're pretty powdery, but they usually blend out really well. A lot of the lighter shades, like this first light blue that I tried, I feel like it could be more pigmented, but it's just not. Their darker colors, like the dark blue, I think those pop really nicely. And then of course their crease shades and the shades that you use to blend, those all work really nice as well. There was a little bit of fallout. It wasn't too bad, but overall I think the eyeshadow palette is really cool and I do like all the colors that it came with. The lip palette I think is super interesting. You could definitely use those as blushes as well. The formula I want to say reminds me of those blushes that just recently came out from Pixi where you kind of roll them up. It looks like a little deodorant stick. I actually have those two, and the formula of the lips reminds me of that cream blush that they put out, if that makes any sense. The Find Your Own Light, the highlighting palette, I mean, I think that one pretty much stole the show for me. I really like that palette. That is the Makeup by Denise in Pixi palette. And then the last one that we had was the Shapeshifter palette for the sculpting. It's a contour palette. I didn't really use anything from that because I was already wearing bronzer, but it looks really cool and those colors I think will fit my face very well. So I'm excited to kind of dive into a little bit more of these in a future video, so let me know if that's what you guys would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you like what you see, again, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Of course, I would love it for you to join my family. Don't forget to check out my other videos that pop up on the sides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.